See, you don't really have to be worried or bother yourself that much, as JAMB results checking is a very simple process. In this video, I will take you through the step-by-step guide on how to check and download your JAMB results even with your mobile phone. If you are new here, I'm Kosim. I guide, motivate, inspire students, and feel free to join the community by subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so as to receive notification whenever I upload a new video. A lot of things are changed about checking of JAMB results comparing to the previous years, and it is very important you know all this before you even think of printing or checking the JAMB result at all. Just like I promised, in this video I will teach you, I will take you through how you will check your JAMB results and get it downloaded to your phone. But before that, there are some things I really have to clear. There are two ways of which JAMB results can be checked. So the first way is by sending UTME result to 55019 through your phone number. So, but with that, you will not be able to print it out. You will just have it as an SMS to your phone. That is a message on your phone. The reason for coming up with this video is the second way of checking this JAMB result, which is checking it online through the JAMB portal and print it out as an hard copy. In the previous years, there are two kinds of JAMB results. That is the notification of the result and the original JAMB result. The notification of a result is a kind of result that can be printed on JAMB portal without making any payments to JAMB. But the original JAMB result is also printed online through the JAMB portal, and it's always in a kind of a more presentable way than the notification of result. The news here now is that you don't have access to notification of results again, as in JAMB no longer release notification of result to students for printing. Now you can only print original JAMB result, and that is exactly what I want to take you through in this video. So how do you check your original JAMB result? Before you can check your result, there are some things you really need to know. Now, if this is your first time of doing JAMB, or you have done JAMB before and you don't have a profile, now the first thing you have to do is to go to the CBT center and link your email, as in your working email, to your JAMB profile, and that is what will give you the access to log into the JAMB portal to do anything you want to do. That is, you want to print your result, print your admission letter, changing of course admission, and most of the things like that. Talking about the results, that is the course of this video. Now, what are the things you need to do? The first thing is you have to link your email to your JAMB profile, and the second thing is that you really have to prepare a certain amount of money. On the JAMB portal, you will pay 1,661 naira 20 kobo to the JAMB account through the remitter payment gateway. So we can say you have to prepare something like 1,700 naira. That is if you are doing that yourself. If you are doing the checking and printing and all of that yourself. So if you have to go out for someone else to do it for you, it will attract another charge. Now, what exactly you need to know again is the mode of payment. The payment can be made online or through bank. And if you are making it through bank and you are making it online, both is easy, but it is easier making the payment online. How do you make the payment in bank? If you have to make the payment in bank, you have to go and log into your portal the same way and generate an invoice that you will take to the bank. And if you have to make the payment online, you have to make sure you have an ATM card that is working, especially MasterCard, because MasterCard or Visa card or any other card, apart from VAV card, because remitter will not accept a VAV card. Now that you know what to do, then what you have to prepare before you think of even check the JAMB result at all. Now let me take you through how to check the JAMB result.
You're welcome here. To check the JAMB result on your phone, you have to make sure you are using Chrome. I advise you use Chrome. Don't use any other browser apart from Chrome. Now, on your Chrome, just make sure you click on this side button. Yeah, yeah, I click now, and make sure you switch to desktop site, that is the desktop version of Chrome. Now, the reason why I want you to do that is it is advisable to make payment with a desktop version than using just the mobile version of this Chrome. So that is why I advise you to use Chrome and make sure you are switching to the desktop version. So I've switched now. You can see if I see this, it is now, the desktop site is checked now. With that, so you can now go to the JAMB portal where you will log in, and that is efacility.jamb.gov slash login, efacility.jamb.gov.ng slash login. Then you proceed. Now you have to log in with your email and password, the email you linked to your profile. You have to log in, and the password you were given then. So I will log in with a candidate email and password here. I'm doing all this on my phone, so I'll log in. Now you will see this is a print result slip. That is this print result slip. You can see this is it. Nice. Then you click on it. Now after that, you see this pay with remitter. That is what you will click on, then you to proceed. So this is your detail. Then you click continue to payment. Continue to payment. Now this page now we have is a kind of invoice. So if you want to make your payments at the bank, now this is where you have to print, or you just have to write down this RR number and take it to the bank. This RR number, the remitter number, and take it to the bank for them to make the payment for you. Now, but if you have to make the payment yourself, that is, you have your card with you, as in your MasterCard working, so you can now proceed by clicking on pay now. Now, because I want to use my card now to make this payment myself or my mobile phone, then I will click on pay now. Now here we are. You can see this is your details already there, everything filled. Then you click on submit. You don't need to touch anything here because your details is already filled. Now you wait. Now this is where you have to supply your card details. Now I will do that now. I will do that now and come back because this is confidential. Now after you supply your card details and you click on pay, now this is where you will, this is the next thing, and the next thing is for you to enter the one-time password that will be sent to your phone, that is to your number, the number of which you used to receive your alert. Now you have to enter the code you receive on your phone, just like I said. Now after you enter this, you will be directed to a success page. If the payment is successful, page that looks like this, and you have to click on continue or anything you have there. Now after that, the next stage is the final stage, of which you will have to enter your JAMB registration number and click on the print result slip. You will have your result downloaded to your phone, and you can take it to anywhere to print. If you have printer, you can print it yourself.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share to other people that might be in need to benefit them too. See you in another interesting video like this. Bye for now.